Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a homemade cheesy sloppy joe. Alright? So right here I have in this bag, because I freezes all my meat, this is 80-20. This is like 2.5 pounds of ground beef. And I'm not going to just use all that for no sandwiches. So I'm going to be making something else with the sloppy joe. Alright? So anyway, I have some diced tomatoes right here. I have some tomato sauce. I have some mustard. I have some Worcestershire sauce. I have some barbecue sauce. And this right here is some chili seasoning. Some smoked paprika. Some sea salt. Coarse sea salt, some black pepper, and right here I have some, I already chopped all this stuff up. This is my brown sugar. This is like 1.5 tablespoons of that. I'm going to be using that also. I have a half an onion chopped up and a whole bell pepper with some fresh garlic right here, up in here, okay? And I have some cheese, provolone cheese. Alright, and right here is my brioche buns right here. Alright, so we just gonna go ahead and get started. Take this over here to the skillet and let's get cooking. Okay fam, I'm back. I'm on medium heat and I'm just trying to break up some of this meat before I season it. Alright, go ahead and season this up. I'm going with the black pepper. So I'm going to come in here with like a teaspoon of that. Tablespoon of chili powder. Alright. Smoked paprika, you're going to come with a teaspoon of that. We got our kosher salt. You're going to come with like a teaspoon of that. Let's chop this up. Alright, I'm just going to continue to do this till this meat gets brown, and I'll show you what the next step is. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Now all the way done. I'm going to go ahead and put my veggies in here so that we can get a whole bunch of tons of flavor. Like a whole bunch of tons of flavor rather. Alright. Go ahead and put that in there. And I'm going to keep on stirring this. Let it sit for a second and stir it again. Like every 2 minutes. Alright guys. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Meat is brown. Some of these vegetables are translucent. Broke down a little bit there. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to add my diced tomatoes. Now you may want to strain your diced tomatoes. See all that juice was in there? You know what I'm saying? Huh? So we don't want that in there, alright? So I'm going to just put that in there. Incorporate that in there. Like so. Alright. Let's go in here. Get some of that barbecue sauce. Add about a tablespoon of that. Here's about a tablespoon right there. So let's spread it around. Alright. Then come in here with some tomato sauce. I can eyeball this. Going with a half a can first. See where we at. This is a 24-ounce can. Alright. Looking good to me. So, now we're going to add, I'm going to turn this down here to medium low. So we won't burn our sauce. Matter of fact, let's just put it on simmer. How about that? Because we don't want to burn that sauce at all. So we just put it on simmer for now. Alright, let's go ahead and add our barbecue sauce. You see, just about that much, about 3 tablespoons of that. And we will give it a taste, guys. So we need to add something different, some more or something. We may have to add some more barbecue sauce to give it that tang, that twang. But that mustard helped it out as well, so. Let's go ahead and put some of that in there. That's about 1, 2 tablespoons of that. All right, now we're gonna go in here with our brown sugar. All right, with our brown sugar. Put that in there. Right, homemade, cheesy, sloppy Joe. So what we looking for here, guys, we're gonna have to let this simmer so we can break down this sauce even further so it won't be so runny like that. Let me give this a taste. That tastes good. But we're gonna need some more barbecue sauce. Add some more. Right there. About good. That's about another 2 tablespoons. You don't want to add too much stuff at one time either, guys, because you know after a while this stuff will come together, and then it'd be overwhelming. In other words. All right, so we're just gonna let this simmer, guys, for about 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. All right, guys. So yeah, I used a half a can of this tomato paste. I mean the tomato sauce right here. Okay, fam, I'm back. It's been about 20 minutes into it. See how thick it's getting. And it's falling off like watery. Thick now. Okay, we're gonna let it go for another 10 minutes. All right, guys. Go ahead and let this do this about another 10 minutes. I'm gonna start putting this stuff together. And I might end up making like a goulash or something with the rest of it. Okay? I'll show you a picture of that at the end. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm finally done with a homemade cheesy sloppy Joe. Alright? I just have some onion rings right there. You know you gotta eat it with something. I'm gonna let you see that up close. Right? Alright. Homemade cheesy sloppy Joe. From my home to your home. If you guys like this video, please give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And yes, don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in Dogg's Kitchen. Much love. Happy cooking. Okay fam, my goulash is done as promised at the end. This is how that looks. Using sloppy joe, homemade cheesy sloppy joe. So I just made this up because I really want some of this too. Okay? Alright, so guys, I'll holler back at you next time. Much love.